Turn off devices that disturb airflow at the equipment site, such as smoke purifiers, fans, etc. Cleaning equipment site environment. Use a clean wiping cloth to wipe the countertop sheet metal shell. Wipe the beam organ cover with a clean wiping cloth. If possible, the sprayer can be used for dust reduction treatment. Then wait at least 3 minutes. Prepare cleaning tools. Clean cloth, then cleaning paper, absolute ethanol, cotton swab, masking tape, clean gloves and flashlight. Wear dust-free gloves after washing your hands. Dust cloth, pour in anhydrous ethanol. Wipe the surface of the laser head. Pour a clean cloth into absolute ethanol and wipe the pipeline. Remove the masking tape pasted on the surface of the laser head. Note that the masking tape at the low joint should not be removed. Dust cloth, pour in anhydrous ethanol. Wipe the surface of the laser head again. Use masking tape to repeatedly paste on the surface of the laser head to remove any stubborn dust that may be present. Pour absolute ethanol into the corners of the clean cloth. Use a dust-free cloth to clean the gap of the cover plate. Dust cloth, pour in anhydrous ethanol. Wipe the surface of the laser head again. Use masking tape at the focusing lens cover to make an inverted bucket dust cover. Prevent dust from falling on the lens during the installation of the lower protective lens. Seal the laser head nozzle with masking tape. Prevent dust from entering the interior from the nozzle during the replacement of the lower protective lens. Pollution focusing protective lens. Replace with new dust-free gloves. Use masking tape to stick to one side of the lower protective lens drawer first. To seal the lens cavity immediately after pulling out the lower protective lens drawer. Loosen the 2 screws of the lower protective lens drawer. Slowly pull out the lower protective lens drawer by hand. Note that during the extraction process, press the protective lens gland with your finger. Prevent the lower protective lens gland from falling. Immediately after the lower protective lens is pulled out, close the lens cavity with masking tape. Prevent ash from entering the lens cavity from being contaminated. Point the protective lens at the flashlight to check if it is dirty or burnt. If the protective lens is only dirty, it can be cleaned and then installed back. For the specific cleaning operation process, you can watch the special video. If the lower protective lens has a burning point, you need to replace it with a new lower protective lens. Lay a clean cloth and place the protective lens set. Take a clean cloth and pour in absolute ethanol. Wipe the lower protective lens holder clean. You can use a cotton swab dipped in anhydrous ethanol to wipe the areas that are not easy to clean. Wrap the wiped lower protective lens holder in a clean dust-free cloth. Prevent dust from sticking to the lower protective lens holder. Take a clean cloth and pour in absolute ethanol. Wipe the lower protective lens pressure ring clean. Wrap the lower protective lens pressure ring with a dust-free cloth. Prevent dust from sticking to the lower protective